So it's pretty late Friday night. We decided we want to get the new tent up on the Jeep and try to go out this weekend. So I needed to remount the brackets for my Gobi rack. I actually found out these were not mounted correctly to fit with the Smittybilt bumper that we had. So I took everything down. I got some of this Mopar touch-up paint and cleaned up under here where some of the paint was chipped away. And I'm just going through and remounting these brackets, and I could move these things so far before, but now they're super tight on the body, so I trust it to hold the tent now. I just got to finish up one more side and we'll be ready to load the tent up. Hey guys, Josh here with Overland AZ. We are on our maiden voyage with our new Tuff Stuff Alpha tent. I've never set this up before. I opened it partway in the garage just to make sure that everything was there. We're gonna open it up now and we're just gonna time how quick for our first time it takes us to open this tent up. And what better place than here to try this out for the first time. Great views. All right, we got the timer going.
Four minutes.
All right, well, anything but graceful for the first time. All right, we got the tent all set up. Abby, what do you think?
Good.
You like it? I like it. Much easier than setting up the soft shell. And we're gonna start dinner now. Hey Gav, what are we having for dinner?
What's that?
Cauliflower?
Cauliflower.
Yeah, we're gonna have some of Marco's cauliflower steak. It's gonna be good, huh, buddy? Can you say hi?
Hi. Cute. Mama.
How's it doing?
Pretty good. Really good. Oh yeah. What was that? Oh! Oh, you got me.
Bear hunt?
You're on a bear hunt?
Yeah.
Have you seen any bears?
And the bear hunt?
We might see one.
Go to bear hunt?
Let's keep looking. So this tent has these posts that help hold the struts in place when it's super windy so the tent doesn't collapse on you. And being our first time using this, I put those in there, and it was really windy yesterday. And I started taking everything apart and went to pull the hardtop down, and I couldn't because I left those in there. So had to set it back up so I get those out, and we're gonna try again. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I wanted to give you a quick look at our first night in our Tuff Stuff Alpha rooftop tent. We're going to be putting together a full review once we spend some more time with the tent. As always, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
I don't think the butterfly wants your yogurt.
Falling. They're falling. Look.